Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. Are you like me? You ate all your quarantine meal already? Yeah, I got you. Today we're making a stir-fry noodle, quarantine friendly, where you can make it in less than 3 minutes? Let's get started and see how it's done. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. Alright, these are the ingredients you will need, minus two of them, which is the onion and some W sauce. So I have some tuna fish, some ramen noodle, peas, minced garlic, black pepper, soy sauce, and olive oil. Alright, so we're going to get started. Starting with the ramen noodle. We're going to boil it. Alright, we're going to boil the water just like you're making ramen noodle, but you're just going to boil it. Now, when you're boiling your noodle, make sure you boil it for 1 minute and 30 seconds, okay? Do not overcook your noodles because, honey, it's gonna turn out to be a hot mess. So we're going to boil it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once it is done, we're going to remove it, set it aside, remove the hot water so it doesn't continue to cook because you do not want to overcook the noodles. Once you're done, we're going to move on here. In this skillet, I added oil, which is the vegetable oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add the peas and the carrots, and also the onion that I was missing in the beginning. All right, we're going to cook that just like so. Now I'm adding the onion. Once that is nice and cooked, we're going in with our tuna. Now make sure you use a good, well, if you don't have any choice, I got mine from the dollar store. So just squeeze out the water. Find the best one you can find. Squeeze out the water and just add your tuna in there. And also I'm adding some minced garlic. I didn't want it to burn, so I added it at the last minute. And then we're going to add some soy sauce. All right, I'm adding soy sauce and some W sauce as well. The measurement will be down below, so check that out. And then we're going to cook the tuna for a little bit. I am also going to add some ground black pepper in there as well. No salt needed because the soy sauce is it's full of sodium. No salt needed. All right. And now it's time to add my ramen noodles. Okay, we're going to add that in there just like so, and then we're going to stir it up. Now, if you have not subscribed by watching this video, hello, what you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and also turn on that bell. Hit the bell so you can be on notification gang, so you don't miss out on my delicious recipes. And check out my other recipes because I have some bomb recipes here, so you're going to love them if you like this one. Let's continue. Now we're going to add some more soy sauce just like so. The one that I was using was not a name brand, so it was a little hard for the color to show. That's why I'm always say use a good brand product, better quality of course. And once it is done, basically this is what it looks like. Everything is well combined, and once you set that in a nice plate, you are ready to eat. Of course, once you're done, this will look like you just got this off a 5-star Chinese food restaurant. And if you take a picture of it, post it online on Instagram, everybody gonna think, oh wow, she's out eating good. But you know, all the restaurants are closed, so yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know down below. And also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. That's the least you can do. Just hit it with a thumbs up. Subscribe if you new, of course. And I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye. Yum.